Get ready for a journey through the dark territories of limiting beliefs. In the universe of absurd ideas that imprison us, we encounter frightening monsters like lack of ability, lack of deservingness, and even the curse of bad luck. But fear not. We are here to illuminate your path and demystify these villains that hold you back from shining. Ready to unleash your full potential? Hold on tight and embark on this fun adventure of deconstructing limiting beliefs. Get ready to challenge yourself and embrace a new mindset of success and freedom. Together, let's explore the dark side of limiting beliefs and unleash the superhero within you. So, just imagine, you are an amazing person, full of potential and talent. But sometimes, you know what happens. Limiting beliefs come up and hold you back, like annoying little monsters. So, what are these limiting beliefs? They are thoughts that you believe to be true, but actually hinder your growth, prevent you from taking risks, and keep you from achieving wonderful things in life. They can arise from past experiences, other people's opinions, or even stories you tell yourself. You know those thoughts like, "I'm not good enough" or "I'll never make it." Those are examples of limiting beliefs that bring you down and prevent you from shining. And the craziest part is that they're not real. They are just stories you made up and that sabotage you unnecessarily. Here's another example for you to better understand and eliminate once and for all those beliefs that serve no purpose other than disrupting your life. Limiting beliefs are like those crazy obstacles that appear in video games. They're there, hidden, just waiting to spoil your fun and make you lose precious lives. But why do they exist? Well, believe it or not, it's because we're human, and our minds have a peculiar way of functioning. You see, the mind loves to create elaborate stories and draw crazy conclusions based on past experiences. It does that to protect us, or at least it thinks it's protecting us. It takes that one time you failed at something and says, "Hey, that means you're a total failure and will never get it right." It's like the mind is a film director who loves to screen a mental horror movie just to give you chills. But here's the good news: you don't have to be a helpless victim of these limiting beliefs. You have the power to turn off the projector and change the script. You can start questioning these crazy stories and find evidence that proves they're false. Now, why does this happen? Because sometimes our mind has a funny way of trying to protect us, even if it means keeping us in our comfort zone. It's afraid of the unknown, of taking risks, and facing challenges. So, it triggers these limiting beliefs as a form of self-preservation. But the good news is that you can change that. You are the master of your mind, the protagonist of your story. So, it's time to take those limiting beliefs and transform them into empowering beliefs that propel you to conquer the world. Start by questioning those beliefs. Ask yourself, is this really true? What do I gain by believing in this? You will realize that many of them have no real foundation. Next, replace those limiting beliefs with positive and motivating thoughts. Tell yourself things like, "I am capable, I can learn and grow, I deserve the best." Create powerful affirmations and repeat them every day, like a mantra that will propel you forward. Let's talk about limiting beliefs regarding money. After all, who doesn't want to have a healthy and prosperous relationship with finances, right? Believe it or not, many people carry limiting beliefs about money. They believe that money is hard to come by, that it is dirty, that it is for others and not for them, or even that they don't deserve to have a financially abundant life. These beliefs act like little thieves, stealing confidence and the power to achieve prosperity. But let's clarify one thing: money is neither good nor bad, it is merely a tool. It's like a magical hand that can help you achieve your dreams, take care of your family, do good things in the world, and live a comfortable life. The problem lies not in money itself but in the limiting beliefs we have about it. So, why do these limiting beliefs about money arise? Often, they come from past experiences, teachings we received as children, or even stories we've been told throughout life. It could be that we have witnessed difficult situations involving money or absorbed negative beliefs from our family or society. These limiting beliefs about money make us act unconsciously, sabotaging our own opportunities to thrive. For example, if you believe that money is something bad, you may fear becoming wealthy and end up financially self-sabotaging. Or if you believe that you will never be able to earn enough money, you may get stuck in a scarcity mindset, limiting your possibilities for financial growth. The good news is that you can change these limiting beliefs about money. Just like in other areas of life, it is important to question these beliefs and replace them with positive and empowering thoughts. Start believing that you deserve financial success, that you are capable of earning money honestly, and that you can create an abundant life for yourself. Educate yourself about finances, seek knowledge about investments, financial planning, and personal development in this area. Talk to financially successful people, learn from them, and absorb the mindsets and strategies that have led them to success. Remember that money is an energy that flows. When you adopt a positive mindset towards it, you are opening up space for financial abundance to enter your life. Allow yourself to dream big, set challenging financial goals, and work with determination to achieve them. So, my friend, let go of the limiting beliefs about money that hold you back and embrace a prosperous and abundant mindset. Believe in your potential to achieve a satisfying financial life, put your plans into action, and celebrate every step you take towards your independence. There are various types of limiting beliefs that can affect a person's life. Here are some examples. Belief of lack of ability. This belief involves the idea that you don't have the necessary skills to achieve something, whether it's in work, relationships, or any area of life. This can limit your opportunities and hinder your personal development. Belief of lack of deservingness. This belief is based on the idea that you don't deserve success, happiness, or love. This can lead to self-sabotage, where you don't actively seek or accept good things in your life. Belief of bad luck. This belief involves the idea that you are unlucky and that negative things always happen to you. This can create a victim mentality, where you feel powerless in the face of circumstances. Belief of personal limitations. This belief refers to the conviction that you have intrinsic limitations, such as lack of intelligence, talent, or specific abilities. This can prevent you from pursuing new challenges and exploring your full potential. Belief of rejection. This belief involves a constant fear of being rejected by others. This can lead to avoiding social situations, seeking excessive approval, or having low self-esteem. Belief of scarcity. This belief is based on the idea that there is a lack of resources, such as money, time, or opportunities, and that it will never be enough. This can create a mindset of lack, making it difficult to pursue abundance and prosperity. These are just some of the many limiting beliefs that can exist. It's important to recognize these beliefs and work to overcome them, as they can restrict your personal and professional growth. And always remember, you are unique and special. Don't let these limiting beliefs hold you back from shining. Believe in your potential, pursue your dreams, and show the world what you're capable of. Life is a grand adventure, and you're here to enjoy every second of it. So have fun, smile, and leave your limiting beliefs behind. The future is yours to conquer. Now, it's time to go out there and be the incredible person you were born to be. Go ahead and rock it. I'm rooting for you. I want to thank everyone who's been following my channel, and I invite you to subscribe. By subscribing, you'll gain access to exclusive content, valuable tips, and first-hand updates. Plus, you'll become part of an engaged community, ready to exchange ideas and learn together. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Click the subscribe button below and join us. Thank you so much for all the support, and until the next video.